Good afternoon. Welcome to Fumi Beauty World again. A lot of people have been asking me Fumi Beauty World how to use the product. Some people have been using it wrongly. Some people have been using it the way like they like. And you spend a lot of money. So I think this time for me to do a video to tell you how to use this our beautiful product. We have a lot of products. So I'm not going to do videos on one particular. I'm not going to for each of the products. No. This set. I'm going to do a video on this, but does not mean this particular set is meant for this video. This particular set is meant for everything. I mean the video. So this is the video I'm going to use. If you buy our half cassette, you can still use these videos to know how to use your product. If you buy our mulatto set, you can still use these videos to know how to use. The reason why I picked Diamond Glow, this is the product I use, and that's one of my best products I love to use. We have Africa set, which is our stage 2 whitening set. We have a Moroccan set, which is our stage 3 whitening set. We have a mulatto, which is one of our popular products, which is our stage 4 whitening set. But I choose to use this for a long time, and I have not stopped using it because everything is not about whitening. I just love the way my skin is. I want to tone it down. Do you understand? So this is our beauty Diamond Glow set. But if you bought any of our beautiful products, you can still go ahead and use this video to know how to apply your body products on your body. Do you understand? You're marvelous people, you're lovely people, you're spending your money to buy our products, but there's no point if you don't know how to use the product. Okay, and you're spending a lot of money. So for example, if you have a Diamond Glow set in your house, or if you have a half cast set in your house, this is how to apply the product. Number one, you start with a cleanser. When you receive the product, you use the cleanser. A lot of people call me, how do you use the cleanser? Yes, this is an opportunity. You use the cleanser with a cotton wool to wipe all your dead, all the raw faces, dead skin, on your, dead layers on your face. You use it to wipe it. All the rough, you've all the makeup, everything that is rough on your face, this one's will clear it. Do you understand? So once you use it, have you seen it? It's going to clear your freckles, rough faces, wrinkles, aging, and whitening the face at the same time. This particular product. So once you clear your face with a cotton wool, so what you're going to do is you're going to use these two products. You're going to use this product. These two products is what you're going to use. You're going to use the body scrub, which is amazing because you have to exfoliate yourself. If you don't exfoliate yourself, you're not going to get a good result. Everything is not about cream. Some people say, I don't like scrub. You need to love scrub because the scrub will give you a very good skin tone. It's going to prepare your skin to get lighter. It's going to get your skin prepared to get white. Because it's going to exfoliate your skin. You see, it's going to exfoliate your skin. It's going to remove skin pigmentation. It's going to dark spots, stubborn skin, clear rough skin, and smoothing, and then at the end of the day, help you to lightening or whitening your skin. So at the same time, all our products comes in a soap. We believe in the soap so much. And this is one of our mixing soap, which is our Diamond Glow soap. You're going to mix this together. You're going to scrub yourself. Don't scrub your face on it. Scrub your body alone. Scrub your body. Do you understand? Are you with me? If you want to scrub your face, if you want to scrub on your face, you need to get one of our face beauty face scrub. Do you understand? You need to get a beauty face scrub. So this one, you're going to scrub yourself. Leave it for 30 minutes. You have to give yourself a time. It's not that you're going to work at 7. You jump into the bedroom around 6:30 or 6 and start scrubbing and bait it up. You're just wasting your money. You're going to give a time, scrub yourself after 30 minutes. Then, this scrub and the soap got to be on your skin for some time. Not long, maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And it's for them to penetrate on your skin so that they can do the job. So after you do it, then you're going to use our soap, our Diamond Glow soap. You can use the Africa soap, you can use mulatto soap. Everything, all these videos can be used for any of our body products. Okay? For pure white, beauty, any of our products you can use. So you use the body soap to wash yourself. Once you rinse everywhere, wash yourself with your sponge. You can use a hand glove. This hand glove is very good. It's a very, very good exfoliating hand scrub. You can wear the hand glove. You understand? And the hand sponge. So once you wear it, you put the soap in it, scrub yourself off, wash yourself. So once you get a clean body, then you can wash your face. Or you can wash your face first, depending on individual. Do you understand? I tend to wash my body first. Once I wash my body, then that's when I wash my face. You understand? You can use our white, and it comes with our soap. Any of our set comes with our soap. Do you understand? And recently we want to start changing it to face wash, because some people doesn't like bar soap, some people want face wash. But for now, you understand, it comes with a whitening face soap, and this is a very good soap. We've been selling this soap for over nearly 9 years now. So you can use the soap to wash your face. So once you use this soap to wash your face, that's when you come into this one. That's when you come to the real job. And what's the real job? Is your cream. Because you've already exfoliated your skin, you've already washed you've already washed your face, you've cleansed your face. That's when you come to these two beautiful products. It doesn't have to be Diamond Glow Soap, because I know people will tell me this video is for Diamond. It's not for Diamond, it's for all the body products. But obviously I've got to use one of the products as an example. So you applied your cream. How do you apply your cream? You press this here. When you press this, then you do the spray inside. You mix both together. Don't put all the oil inside the cream. It's going to slow the strength. You understand? You know, instead of it whitening, you will not be getting the result quickly. Because I can't get the result though. It's working on my friend. How come it's not working on me? Because your friend is using it very well and you're not using it very well. Don't pour any time that you buy body product. It doesn't have to be our own. But for our own, don't pour all the oil inside your cream. Press the cream on your hand. Press the oil on it. You understand? And then mix it together on your pan. And if you have a small cup in the house, you can press the small, put the oil together, mix it, apply it all over your body. You can put this cream on your face, provided you don't have a very sensitive face. If you don't have a spot on your face, if you don't have rashes on your face, you can apply it. You understand? If you have a very good smooth face, all you just want to do is to whiten the skin, then you can apply this on your face. But if you have roughness on your face, if you have a pigmentation on your face, don't use this. This one is going to clear the pigmentation on the skin, on the body a lot. Do you understand? But if you don't have all this, you don't have spots, you don't have rashes, then you can use this on the face and the body. Because if you use this on the face, it's going to aggravate the spot. So that's why we advisable anything lightening or whitening, apply them on your body alone. Do you understand? Once you use this all over your body, and if you don't have any of these that I've mentioned earlier on, then you can apply this on your face and your body. Once you apply this on your face and your body, then what you're going to do is the last one, which is the most popular one, you're going to apply this on your face. This is going to smoothen your face, clear any roughness on your face, and give you a very beautiful face. And that's the last one that you're going to use. Some people mix this with different things. You don't need to mix this. Use this alone on your face. Follow the procedure. Go to the videos. If you don't understand, replay the videos, and it's going to give you a clear picture of how you're going to use the product. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for taking time to go through one of our videos. Please take time to watch this. It's going to be on our Instagram. It's going to be on our Facebook. I think I'm going to upload this on YouTube as well. Because a lot of people upload, they don't have Facebook, they don't have Instagram. At least they can go on YouTube and to watch it. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day for me, Beauty World.